Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the EasyToys Feather Tickler. So let's get started. So, intimate moments become intenser and more playful with a tickler. Whether you would just like to tease your partner or you are a lover of BDSM, a tickler is the perfect toy for you. You can use the side of the long feather to stimulate a large area of the skin or use the point for pinpoint stimulation. The feathers feel soft and smooth on the skin, therefore tickling your partner, but also it's a great way to tease and please them, especially if you're a complete beginner in BDSM. It has a long handle here which has got a very good comfortable grip, and it also heightens sensitivity and anticipation as well. The perfect BDSM toy. And that is the EasyToys Black Feather Tickler. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you again next time.